Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Buzzsprout, which is a free podcast hosting app. So we are going to cover pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Buzzsprout, and also if you want to go premium, what cash you need to prepare yourself to pay for some extra features. So let's start. Buzzsprout is the easiest way to start a podcast. This is a simple to use product, provides a podcasting platform, promotion tools, and stats to track your podcast. Get to know your listeners with podcast statistics. See stats like your total downloads over time, what apps people are using to listen to your podcast, and where people are listening to your podcast. Magic Mastering uses advanced technology to automatically sweeten audio with audio files and then optimize them to match the industry's best practices for spoken word or music heavy productions. I don't really think it's made for enterprises or the biggest of the companies, but small and medium businesses and mainly individuals can use it to really promote their podcasts. Also, if you have a mesmerizing voice and you feel like you should share it with the world, Buzzsprout is the best option in my opinion. They are located in Jacksonville, Florida, and all you need to do is your web browser, basically. If we are going to check the pricing, as they proclaim there is no credit card, cancel anytime on contract. So with free option, you get to upload 2 hours each month. Each episode is hosted for 90 days, unlimited 2 hours each month, no overages. If you go with free, there will be ads on podcast website, but the rest is basically all you can expect. Then for $12 a month, which is not that big of a deal in my opinion, is upload 3 hours each month, but those episodes are hosted indefinitely, and upload more content for $4 per hour, which is kind of nice because I feel like 3 hours, if you want to start with your podcast, is more than enough. Also, there are no ads from them, so you can really enjoy your spoken word. Then obviously you're just getting more and more airtime. With 18 months you get 6 hours, and 24 per month you get 12 hours. Also, if you need to upload more than those 2 hours, all of a sudden you are paying $2 per hour, not 4, which is present with this $12 a month practice. So that's about it, guys. Go and check them out and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.